Situation is a noun which means the set of conditions at a particular time and place. He has 3 children and he's just lost his job. It's a terrible situation. Considering everyone was shouting, you dealt with the situation really well. It's common to put the adjective economic before situation. The company is in a tight economic situation. They almost went bankrupt last year. Also, as a noun, situation can be the position of something, especially a city or a building. The garden situation is perfect for catching some sun. I hope our videos are putting you in a better situation to learn English.
Let's learn claim. It's both a noun and a verb. It can mean to say something is true, and we often use it when we're not sure if someone really is telling the truth. He claims he did the assignment, but I haven't seen it. Her claim is that she didn't get the message, but I definitely sent it. We also use it to mean asking for or taking something that you're allowed to have. We often use this with money. After the accident, she claimed money from her insurance company. The funding claim for our project has been accepted. Especially as a verb, we use claim to talk about winning or achieving things. He claimed the prize by winning the race. So, we claim things are true and claim the things that we're allowed to have or that we've achieved. We're not just claiming we can help your English, we know it's true.
Supreme is an adjective which can mean having the highest rank or level. It's quite formal when used with this meaning. The criminal case was so important that it was taken to the Supreme Court. Before moving to his current job, he was a Supreme Commander. Supreme can also describe something that is considered great or the greatest. In my opinion, this singer reigns supreme amongst all modern artists. Jodie was awarded a medal for demonstrating supreme bravery. Supreme is often followed by nouns like importance, inspiration, and intelligence. The results of this study will be of supreme importance to the world of science. We hope to be your supreme authority on all things English.
Let's learn the verb identify. If you identify something or someone, it means you notice it or them and can say who or what they are. I identified the person in the photo as my neighbour. There was a flavour in this soup that I just couldn't identify. If you identify with someone or a group of people, then you feel that you have something in common with them. I can identify with your problems. I have similar ones. If you identify as something, it means you would label yourself in that way. I identify as a hard worker. I'm proud of what I do. Identify is about recognition. It can be about recognizing people and things. You can identify with a situation you recognize, and if you identify as something, it's how you see yourself.
Nice is an adjective that can be used in many different situations. It has a positive meaning and can be similar to good, pleasant, or enjoyable. Are you having a nice day? Have a nice holiday. See you next week. If you add not in front of nice, it's the opposite meaning, not good or not enjoyable. This soup doesn't taste nice. What's in it? It's not nice to talk to people rudely. We also use nice to describe people who are kind, polite, or friendly. How is your sister? She's such a nice person. £50 for me? That's so nice of you. Although nice is a useful word with a lot of meanings, There are usually alternative and more specific words that you can use instead, like good, pretty, or polite. Have a nice day!
Let's learn match. It's a verb and a noun. It's about how things relate to each other. Clothes match if they look good together. People are a good match for each other if they make a good couple. I need to take this tie off. It doesn't match my shirt. Joe and Emily are a cute couple. They're a great match. Match as a verb can mean put things together with other suitable things. You need to match the questions with the correct answers. If you match someone at something, you reach their level. In a similar way, match as a noun can mean a game between sports teams. I can easily match you at chess. You're not that good. She scored the goal that won them the match. Match is about similarity, whether that's about a similar colour, similar personality, or a similar level. We hope that our lessons match your needs.
During is a preposition. It means throughout a particular period of time. It's commonly used with time words like the morning, the day, and the night. I work during the day, but my husband works during the night. You mustn't use mobile phones during the test. During can go at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle. We go to the beach during the summer. During the summer, we go to the beach. During is also used to mean some time between the beginning and end of a period of time. I lost my purse during the trip, but I don't know exactly where or when. My phone rang during the meeting. I hope you've been paying attention during this episode.
Let's learn schedule. It's a verb and a noun, and you can say it as schedule or schedule. As a noun, it can be a plan or a list of when things happen. According to the schedule, we start at 9 tomorrow. Especially in American English, a schedule can tell you when planes, trains and buses are planned to arrive at and depart from different places. The flight schedule says that we should be leaving at 10:15. As a verb, schedule means to plan for something to happen at a certain time. It's often used in the passive to talk about when things will or should happen. The meeting was scheduled for 9:30, but everyone was late. So, schedule or schedule is usually about time. It's when things are planned to happen. Make sure that practicing English is on your schedule.
Material is something physical that things can be made from. For example, wood, plastic, or bricks. What material is your water bottle made from? Is it plastic? To build a house, you'll need to buy materials like stone and bricks. Similarly, material is another word for cloth. Clothes and other products are made from material. Your scarf is so soft. What material is it? Towels are made from absorbent material because they need to absorb water. Also, as a noun, material can be information that's used for writing, often for promotional purposes. Your family drama would make really good material for a book. I'm collecting material for a food documentary. Can I interview you? Finally, as an adjective, material can relate to possessions like objects and money. We often hear it used with the noun world. We live in a material world. Lots of people want the best and latest products.
Let's learn count. It can be a noun, but in this program we're going to look at it as a verb. The first meaning is all about numbers. If you count, you say numbers. Counting can mean seeing how much of something there is. I'm going to count to 10 and then you need to be sitting down. How many sheep are in the field? Can you count them? Counting something can also mean to include it in a number. I don't count my bonus as part of my salary, it's just a nice extra. The records only count goals from official games. The verb count could also mean be important or of value. Did you ask her? Hers is the only opinion that counts. A present? For me? That counts a lot, coming from you. So, count can be about numbers or importance. Our videos can help make the time you spend studying English really count.